Hi, I'm Steve from Xtreme Landscaping. We've been around for 11.5 years serving the Greater Toronto area and surrounding areas. We service Bolton, Kleinburg, Brampton, Palgrave and surrounding areas. We specialize in landscape maintenance mostly, fertilization, weed control, mulch, spring and fall cleanups, as well as installation of holiday lights. So previously we've been running John Deere zero turns until about 2 months ago, where we came across Kevin from Bobcat of Toronto. We met him through the Landscape Ontario show, ended up going in to see him for some equipment and ended up making a decision on the spot to buy our first Bobcat ride-on unit. We currently run 2 crews, 3 zero-turn mowers, 2 ride-ons and a stand-on, and we run those equipment 4 days a week. So we used to use 2 John Deere zero-turn mowers. We find out after we switched to the first Bobcat zero-turn that its speed and ability to cut much faster was definitely an asset to the company. So after reviewing and trying the first one, we definitely saw an increase in the productivity of the equipment and decided to go out and purchase a second one. So we decided on the sit-on one because of the variety of properties that we have. We've got the stand-on to more deal with our residential clients, and the big commercial mowers for all of our industrial and commercial accounts. So since we've purchased the equipment, we've noticed a substantial increase in our ability to shrink down the time that we're cutting, normally averaging about 30 hours a week. Probably with the new equipment, we've managed to shave off approximately 6 hours a week. As far as cut quality goes on the Bobcat, we highly recommend the unit. The cut is fantastic. Long grass, short grass, damp grass, we don't seem to have any issues whatsoever. Easy maintenance as far as dropping and changing the oil. Very simple. The deck design is fantastic. No issues whatsoever with that. Comfortable seat with ride control, so those bumpy situations definitely get taken care of with that unit. We have a property up here in North Toronto that has quite a steep slope to it. The unit has no problem whatsoever in holding the hill. Even on the hill, it does a great job at cutting. So as far as dealing with Kevin and the dealership, nothing but good things to say. Always there for support, always there for any questions that need to be answered. As far as parts and service goes, very responsive to any requests that we have. Definitely we were well taken care of during the purchase of all of our equipment from Bobcat of Toronto, and would highly recommend them to anybody looking to get into a zero-turn mower.